Break a bank or slug the bank and plug the superintend. Make it fun.
Hey everybody, I'm Missy. That's Jake. Say hi, Jake. Jake, say hi. Oh, don't give me that look, really. Anyhow, so we're going to Brakes Plus. Last week we had to get new brakes and new rotors and possibly calipers. They couldn't get the pin out of the calipers because it was so rusted so horribly that if they couldn't get that out, they were going to have to replace the calipers. Well, I went back and because it was a long appointment. So we went back, stayed there all day, and they heated up the calipers and they were able to get them out. And we did not need new ones. So $2,100 later with new rotors and new brakes, we left Brakes Plus. Well, actually before we left, I asked them, what is my next maintenance that's going to be due? And they looked it up and told me, well, at 100,000 miles, I was due for spark plugs. Okay, well, I'm at 97,357. So I thought, I'm going to look up what these spark plugs are all about. Have you ever looked those up? It's really interesting what all they're responsible for. And the biggest boost for me was they increase your gas mileage when you have good spark plugs and they're working. And I decided, well, I could do them when I get back or I can do them before I go. And I decided to do them before I go so that I could get, hopefully, the best gas mileage I'm able to get. I'm kind of excited to see how it does. So that's what we're headed back to Brakes Plus today for, is to get these spark plugs done. And they told me that it's about a 6-hour job because the spark plugs in the ProMaster van are very hard to get to and they take a long time. So it's going to be $811. I tell you what, this has been the year for fixing up my van, making some changes, and getting some high price maintenance done. Thankfully, I had it in savings, so I'm okay. But I don't like touching that savings except for an emergency. So I guess this is kind of one. But anyhow, just wanted to tell you guys, I've been thinking about you lately, and I hope everybody's doing good. You know, I'm really enjoying making videos and sharing them with you guys. It is fun. I know my life's not all that exciting, and you're probably thinking, yeah, can't you make them more exciting? But I'm trying. So anyhow, I'm always open to ideas. If you have questions about things or comments you'd like me to make a video, let me know, because I'm happy to do that. I love new ideas. And thank you to all our new subscribers who have joined our channel family. Jake and I are very excited to see our numbers are growing, and thank you. I'm just so grateful to you guys. I'm grateful when you hit like. I'm so grateful when you leave a comment. And best of all, I'm so grateful to have new subscribers and old subscribers, the original ones.